It's a black camera?
Beautiful black camera.
Beautiful black camera. Who is it?
Button.
Huh?
Button.
Button? Yes, it's a button. But who is it? Keta. It a K. Okay. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today.
Let's go video.
Okay, I'm gonna show you your gummy bear. Can you please wait? So yeah, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today is Friday. It's April 13th, I believe. I haven't vlogged long time, and this is the longest I think I haven't vlogged. It's been a month, I believe. So yeah, I was busy with my work, household work, and obviously I have a toddler to take care of. Everything with everything, I got so busy that the time I was getting, I was just like enjoying me time only. So that's why I didn't vlog. Yes, that's why I didn't vlog. But gummy bear, yes. So ha. So from this time on, I'm gonna continue vlogging. Finger crossed. And by the way, next month my parents are coming, so I'm super duper excited. I'm gonna vlog those days as well. So yeah, it's almost gonna be noon. It's maybe 11:30. I just made a cup of tea for myself. Ta-da! And I need to cook lunch as well. Today we're just gonna stay at home because first reason it's raining, second reason Shomo has some work, so we can't go out. It's a key.
Gummy bear waffle.
Gummy bear waffle. You made it, Kyan? Oh, it's so yummy. Ah. So yummy.
It's a more. Hey. No pepper.
No pepper?
It's a lump of spice doing red.
কি বললে কিছুই তো বুঝলাম না
Woo!
হ্যাঁ
Woo! Wow! Wow!
Wow,
It's a beautiful.
it's beautiful. Oh, is it hot? Oh, it's hot, Kyan.
No,
No,
it's juice.
it's juice. Oh.
No more.
No more.
No.
Lunchtime it is. I'm going to make fish curry. This is Ilish fish. I marinated it with turmeric and salt. I have some eggplant, potatoes, and chili. This curry is pretty easy to make, and it's yummy too. So let me show you guys how I make it, and then I have to give lunch to Kian because it's 1:30 already. So yeah. When the potato is gonna be 80% done, I'm going to add all the fishes. Kian is playing outside. By the time I finish cooking, I'm going to give him lunch.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Ant. There he's playing. This is the grill we ordered, but we couldn't assemble it and it was raining, so I covered this up. It's all trash. We need to put it in the recycle bin. There is Kian. I did a little bit arrangement in the backyard. If you see my vlogs, you know this swing chair was on this side, so as we bought the grill, we are going to keep this on this side, and we moved all the furniture in this side. I wanted to do the it's a wallpaper thing on the glass, but I think it's a bad idea because it rained a lot last week. That time this part gets off. Now it's staked. As I'm trying to get this off from the glass, it's still some of it sticks on the glass and it obviously doesn't look good. Maybe I'm going to make this wet, like spray some water, make it wet, and then try to remove it. I'm gonna do this weekend, but yeah. Asho baba, lunch khao.
Hello.
Bubbles.
Bubble boy, bubbles. Ready to chew it.
So it's evening time, by the way.
Yummy sauce.
We did go out for a walk. We means me and Kian. Oh, Baba. Oh, Baba. Baba.
Oh, Daddy.
Hold Mama's hand.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, careful, okay? What's that?
Water.
Water? কি হয়েছে? কি হয়েছে? আরে কেউ না, পড়ে যাবে কিয়ান, এখানে স্ট্যান্ড করো। Don't do this. Don't do this. We came back. Now we're having some momos.
Momos.
Momos. Are we going to have some momo?
Two momos.
Two momos and এখানে কটা আছে? How many? Can you count, Kian? How many is there?
One
Yes. Then?
ketchup.
Ketchup. So yes, we're going to have some momos for evening snack, and I need to cook because tomorrow one of Shomo's friends is coming, so I need to make some food. He's coming for lunch, so that's I need to make. By the way, I need to organize. Hello, shop tumi khele ki kore hobe? Mama is also gonna have some, right?
Treat. Whole treat.
Huh?
Whole treat.
100.
Whole treat.
So yeah, I need to cook food. What I was saying is I need to like organize under my sink, like kitchen sink. It's a mess, so I did purchase a 2-tire organizer thingy. If I could, I'll do that today and show you guys that, but after I finish cooking I'm going to do that, so stay tuned if you are like interested to see how I'm organizing under the cabinet, sink. So yeah, now keep watching. Oh no, ki chaichis?
Oh no.
What do you want?
Oh dear.
তুই তো খাবি না রে, তিনটে কালেক্ট করলি, খাবি না তো তিনটে? ছি ছি। Hello, it's currently 10:45 in the night. Kian is already in the bed, so I am free now, and so let's open the box and let's see what I order for the organization under the sink cabinet, like this one. So let's open it first. I ordered 2 counts because I wanted to get one set for this kitchen sink and one set for our master bathroom sink. So I got 2 there. This is the one there, and this one is the other. I need scissors. So it was pretty easy to assemble, as you guys saw. Now let's do this. By the way, this is the disaster which we need to fix. So yeah, I'm just going to take out all the stuff to make space. organization is done. What I did was I kept all the bigger stuff like the garbage bag and the vinegar and baking soda. Those are bigger boxes which is not gonna fit here, so I keep it this side, and here I keep what in the down side I keep what I use regular basis, and in the up, if not regularly, monthly. And these are all the extra stuff, like I have the fabric spray which I'm currently using. This is the extra one. These are all the Lysol antibacterial, I mean disinfectant spray. These are all the extra stuff, and I keep the dishwasher pod here so that it's easy to grab and put it in the dishwasher. So yeah, this is how it came out. And so yeah guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. We are just going to have dinner and maybe watch some movie together. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, then please get a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know. And if you love to watch my videos, haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. That will be awesome. I'm going to see you guys soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.